Because I miss you so much, my love. Ay, nagkubuo-buo ang baby ko. Nagkubuo-buo ang baby. Ay, bakit mukhang auntie ka na, Day? Ha? Mukha na kang auntie? You just woke up, my love. Natulog ba ikaw po? Kakatulog mo lang po, kayo nakaputlog. Sleeping ikaw? Kaya na pa ikaw sleeping? Kaya na pa sleeping yung baby? Huh? I have something for you. Have you eaten already your lunch? Ganda naman ang damit mo, Beng. Huh? Have you eaten lunch already? Have you eaten lunch already, Beng? Papa? Have you eaten lunch? Ay! Sino yun, Beng? It's Sophia? It's Sophia, let's get closer. It's Sophia? So beautiful, Sophia, oh. So beautiful ang baby. So beautiful ang baby, You want to call someone? You want to call someone? Whom do you want to call? Yes, I have banana for you. I have something for you, my love. Okay. Okay. This is for you. I love to eat apple and... What's this? Banana. Say banana. Say banana. Yeah. There are 3 bananas. What else do you have here? Okay, let's put it back in here. I've actually eaten one already. But you have this. Okay, your favorite one. Your favorite one. Yay. You also have option baby. This is strawberry yogurt. Yay. What else do you have? You have also this strawberry milk. Yeah. Yes, it's a strawberry milk, baby. It's all good for you. It's all strawberry. Mom. This is mama. This is rabbit. Ay, this one is cow. This is also cow. This is made of fruits and vegetable. You want to eat that one first? Okay, sure. We have to use the spoon of this. Okay. Oh, the spoon. Okay. Here comes the spoon. Yay! And then open this one. Open this one. Okay, now it's open. And then... Ay! Ooh! Ah! Yummy? Yummy po? O maasim? Yummy, no? Kapit. Big mouth. Yay! 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 Hoo-hoo! Open mo. Open mo, big. Wait a minute, me. You want to play the music? You want to play that Teacher Rachel? Tulog pala ang baby. Tulog pala ang baby. Ay, tulog pala ang baby beautiful. Open mo. Yummy. We will call. You know we will call who?